How to start a calcium chloride manufacturing business. Are you looking to dive into the chemical manufacturing industry? What exactly is calcium chloride? It's a versatile inorganic compound commonly used in de-icing roads, in dust control, and as a desiccant among other applications. Its wide range of uses in various industries makes it a lucrative product to manufacture. Before you start any business, understanding your market is crucial. For calcium chloride, you'll want to identify your primary customers, could be governments for road maintenance, companies in the oil and gas sector, or manufacturers in the food industry. Analyzing the current market trends, customer needs, and competitor strategies is key. Have any questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.